Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by selecting Messages app and clicking on one of your chats. Now tap on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your pictures that you wish to add. You can also click on Folders, click on one of those filters like Images or Large Files, or click on those two lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, like Recent. Lastly, just hold one of your pictures that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!